welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here again today. Happy Sunday. So today I'll be taking you on Pigment Doux, but not the serum this time, but the cleanser. I'm going to be sharing 5 tips on how you can use Pigment Doux Cleanser to achieve an even skin tone from your face to your toes. Yes, Pigment Doux Cleanser is capable of helping you have an even skin tone from your face to your toes. I'll be giving you 5 tips of the amazing things you can do with Pigment Doux Cleanser in helping your skincare journey. But before we proceed, I want to appreciate my beautiful family here. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you. If you're new here on the channel, here we talk about skincare, we do product review, we do DIYs, we talk about amazing product reviews of products that actually work. Okay, so if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join this wonderful family. Here we keep it very real, we make amazing reviews and we give good beauty tips. Just like today's video is mostly a beauty tips of what you can actually do with Pigment Doux serum that might be you don't even know. All right, okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. To my family, I appreciate you. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. I really love and appreciate you all. So without wasting much of your time, let's proceed for today's video. All right, so we're talking about these products. This is the Pigment Doux serum, but this is not what we'll be talking about today. This is what we'll be talking about today, the Pigment Doux cleanser. All right, the Pigment Doux cleanser comes like this, comes naked like this. It doesn't come in a pack. This is how it comes, naked. It doesn't come in a pack. Why the serum comes in a pack? Okay, this is what the serum looks like. This is the serum. This is a serum, yellow. The cleanser is like water, it's liquid, but the serum is thick. Everybody knows Pigment Doux serum. All right, this is not the one we're talking about today. All right, the one we are talking about today is this cleanser. This is a cleanser. This is what the content inside looks like. You can see, how loose it is. You see, these products here have amazing things you can actually achieve with this. This product here is magical. Yes, I see a lot of videos, a lot of people talk about the serum, but a lot of people don't even know that this Pigment Doux has a cleanser. This is a cleanser, but it's written lightening lotion Pigment Doux. A lot of people don't know that it has this. Most people just think Pigment Doux is just this one. Okay, this one is also a great product, but this is the one we're talking about. So I'm giving you tips on how you can use this to achieve an even skin tone from your face to your toes. Okay, so 5 steps of what you can do with your Pigment Doux cleanser. So I jot them down here in case you see me looking down, just in order not to miss out any points that I'm supposed to put in the video. Maybe when I'm editing, I'll be like, hey, I didn't put this point. Okay, so I had to put them down so I don't miss any step. All right, so the 5 steps of the things you can do with your Pigment Doux, which I have done all the steps I'll be sharing with you with this, and they work so amazing. So number 1 of what you can do with your Pigment Doux for fast result, if you have a shower gel right now in your bathroom that you're using and your target is skin lightening, skin whitening, and your target is having a flawless skin without dark spot, dark patches, pigmentation on your skin, go get a bottle of this Pigment Doux cleanser and add in your shower gel and you'll be amazed. If your target is like intense whitening, you can do 2 bottles in a 1 liter shower gel. Okay, or you can get your 1 liter shower gel, share it into 2 and add 1 full bottle into it. If you're caramel to brown skin, you just want something, your shower gel to target dark spots, discoloration, dark inner thighs, dark underarm, dark knuckles, like to help you achieve an even skin tone, just get 1 full bottle. Do not exceed 1 bottle into your 1 liter shower gel. You get me? If you're caramel, brown skin, dark skin, just 1 bottle in your shower gel. All right, if you're dark skin, I would even say half in your 1 liter shower gel. But if you're brown skin, caramel, 1 full bottle in your 1 liter shower gel. If you're light skin or you also want to achieve more shade, lighter skin, you can do 2 bottles in your 1 liter shower gel. What would this help you do in your shower gel? This will help with not just lightening. This, if you add 2 bottles in your 1 liter shower gel for light skin, it's going to whiten your skin. But please, for use on from your neck down, do not use on your face. Okay, you're not even supposed to use your whitening shower gel or a body wash on your face. Just use it from your neck down. Okay, so if you're light skin or you you are aiming to achieve more 2 to 3 4 shade lighter skin, you should do 2 bottles of this in your shower gel. It's going to lighten you, it's going to whiten you, it's going to help glow your skin because of the exfoliating properties it has, which will help take off the dead skin cells on your skin. I don't mean it's peeling your skin. It's not going to peel your skin because it's a wash off product, of course, so it's not going to peel your skin, but it's going to take off dead skin cell, just the way you use your scrub and you see your skin feeling smooth, radiant, and baby looking. So that's what this will do for you. This will do, it's like a chemical peel. Okay, so it's going to activate the shower gel to help exfoliate your skin, whiten your skin, lighten your skin, glow your skin, and target dark spots. Target uneven skin tone, target dark feet, dark hands, dark knuckles, blemishes on your skin. So that's what it will do for you. So if you're then your brown skin, caramel skin, and you're adding 1 bottle, it's going to help target dark spots on your skin, help fade dark spots, help fade dark knuckles, help blend out your feet. If you're having suntan on your feet or you're having suntans on your fingers, it's on your hands, it's going to help blend them out, help your skin, help that shower gel help sink into your skin to help your skin achieve an even skin tone. It's going to fight discoloration, blemishes. Okay, that's one thing you can do with this in your shower gel. You can use this Pigment Doux Cleanser. This is the cleanser I'm talking about. You can add it in your shower gel to help you achieve an even skin tone and also target dark spots, dark knuckles, to help you blend out your skin to be one tone. All right, the number two thing you can do with this is as a face toner. Yes, you can use this as a face toner, but the way I would advise this, if you want to use this as a toner, is you use it as a before bath toner. All right, because it's really concentrated. This thing is very active. So if you have acne, you have breakouts, you have discoloration on your face, your facial skin is not even toned, your facial face has discoloration, dark spot, and all, how you use this as a toner is before you shower, you take a cotton wool, you take some of this, use it to cleanse your face, and you leave it on your face for like 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go shower. When you know you want to go shower in the next 1 hour, 30 minutes or thereabout, or you want to go shower in the next 1 hour, you want to go shower in the next 30 minutes, you can use this. Okay, put in a cotton wool, use it to wipe your face, cleanse your face, leave it on for like 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go take your bath, wash it off, then you do your facial routine. This will help fight breakout, prevent new breakouts, help fade dark spots on your face, help your enlarged pores, and also help you achieve an even skin tone on your face. Now, if your face is severely sensitive, like you have very sensitive face, okay, get your rose water, take this, add 1 bottle of this in an empty container, then fill this again, fill it up with your plain rose water, and add it in it and use it as a before bath toner. And also, if you have very tough skin or you have serious acne, you can mix this. You take this, add in a full bottle of this, add in an empty container, take your rose water, fill up this, add in the same container, and you can use this as a proper toner, like after taking your bath, after washing your face, use it to tune your face before you apply your acne treatment. That's if you have severe acne breakouts, you have serious acne problems, you can use this as a toner before your face cream, but use it only at night because this is very concentrated. It has lightening effect. The lightening toner is going to lighten your face, like drastically lighten your face. So that's how you can use this. If you want to be using it directly, you can use it to just cleanse your face, then apply your facial products. Or if your face is severely sensitive, mix this, pour this in an empty container, take your plain rose water, fill up this, add in the same container, mix together, then that's diluting the strength and using it on your face if your face is very sensitive. And if you're prone to redness, make sure you dilute this with a rose water. But if you have serious acne problems, serious breakouts, serious dark spots on your face, just use it directly on your face to wipe your face, leave it on for 30 to 1 hour, then you go take your bath. Okay, so that's how you can use it as a toner. So I'm trying to rush this video. I don't want this video very long, so I'm trying to see how we can stop at 10 minutes dot. Okay, so number 3, you can use this in your paste soap. Yes, so now let's say you know cottage fresh soap. Okay, you can buy, if you're not a formulator or you don't know, have no many things you can add to your soaps to make it active. If you're using cottage fresh soap, okay, you know it's already a paste soap, you can add a full bottle of this in your soap or half bottle of it in your soap to help lighten your skin. It's going to help boost the effectiveness of that soap. Okay, if you're making your mulatto soap, after grating your favorite soaps, okay, Grate your favorite soaps, soak your soap. After soaking your soap, you can add full bottle of this in your soap to help activate the strength of your paste soap to enable it to whiten your skin. And the good thing about this product is not just about whitening. The good thing why I love this product, not just about whitening, this will help, it will help that your soap that maybe you would have just whitened your skin will help that your soap to help that your soap fade dark spots on your skin. It helps that your soap blend out dark. You know, there are some active soaps you'll be using it to lighten your skin, whiten your skin, whatever, but it won't target dark spots. The dark spots, the more it's even lightening your skin, the more visible those dark spots are. This is how some lotions, some soaps are. Okay, some soaps you will use will even lighten your body very well, but your feet, your hands will be left out. So with the addition of this, because of the exfoliating properties it has, will help that soap exfoliate your feet, your hands, those tough areas. You see them brightening up real fast because of the addition of this. So you can use this in your paste soap to help activate the soap, to also help the soap help your skin achieve an even tone. That's by correcting dark hands, dark feet, dark knuckles, and all those stuff. That's the number 3 you can do, adding it into your paste soap. So number 4, you can use on your dark areas of the skin, like your knuckles, dark inner thighs, dark elbow, dark knee, dark fingers, whichever part you have, as this is the best part of this product. Whatever part on your skin you have dark stain, like your knee, your feet, your inner thighs, your elbow, your hands, your knuckles, whichever way you've been struggling to take off, this is the best part of this product that you've been struggling to correct. You can use this directly on those areas. Take your cotton pad, clean those areas morning and night while doing your routine. This is this is the most important step in this concerning this product. Using it on your knuckles will help your knuckles achieve even tone. Using it on your knee, using it on your toes, using it on your feet. Just take your cotton pad, use it to wipe your feet, use to wipe your knuckles, use to wipe your knee. Morning and night, you'll be very, very consistent. You have to be very consistent to see results. You have to be very, very consistent. Morning and night, morning and night. Use it to clean those areas you have dark stain. The way it will disappear will even surprise you. It's really, really amazing on dark patches. Whichever part, your inner thighs, knee, knuckles, whichever place you're struggling with, just take this, apply, use it to cotton pad. Take cotton wool, use it to cleanse those areas morning and night, and it will fade it off. It will give a mild exfoliating, not like peeling, serious those peeling exfoliating. It's just going to mildly exfoliate that area. And but another thing I have to put shipping while using this, okay, if you're trying to use this correct your knuckles, if you're using a harsh cream, you need to stop using the harsh cream, because the harsh cream will prolong the result this is supposed to give you. Okay, so if you're using a harsh product, you have to stop your harsh product so that this will help you will deliver maximum result. Okay, so do not use harsh creams that with a lot of tubes, and you're using this, it delay the result. So use a mild lightening product, then use this consistently on those areas that are dark on your skin with your cotton wool. Just take your cotton wool, soak a little of it. This will clean the areas morning, night. You have time, you do it morning, afternoon, night for faster results. Use the way those places will fade off and become blended with your skin tone will amaze you. That's for sure. This is the best part of this product that I love. This product, this Pigment Doux Cleanser, is super amazing. So another thing you can do with it, okay, which is the last for today, is number 5. You can add it in your body scrub to target dark spots. Yes, you can just get any favorite body scrub of your choice. I think this is one of the easiest parts. If you're a busy person, just get any favorite scrub, any scrub, or any scrub you're using at this moment. Just go get this for me. Okay, get this Pigment Doux Cleanser and pour the whole bottle into your scrub. Use the scrub on your tough areas of your skin, like your knee, your feet, your elbow, the areas that you have dark stain. Just add this full bottle of this in that scrub. Use to exfoliate those areas. It will brighten up like real fast. The way it will clear up that place, you'll be like, ooh. It will clean it off like, okay. Also, in terms of whitening, if you're aiming to achieve more lighter shade, want to achieve more 2 to 3 shades, Adding this to your scrub will also enhance your lightening process. Okay, if you add this full bottle into your scrub, so just imagine something that can clean your dark nail, that can clean your knuckles, that can clean your feet while in your scrub. Now just imagine using that scrub on your body. It's going to lighten your body. It's going to help you achieve more lighter shade. It's going to help whichever lotion you're using. You know, it's going to help that lotion achieve more faster results. Okay, so these are the 5 steps I thought of sharing with you all on how you can use this pigment doux cleanser. I'm not talking about the serum, okay? The serum doesn't work with every skin, but you see this cleanser works for everything, for all skin type. I'm not talking about this is the serum. I'm not talking about the serum, please. The cleanser is what you need for these 5 steps, okay? Incorporate it in any process you would want, either as a toner, either in your scrub, either in your paste soap, either in your shower gel, either using it directly on your dark patches. Okay, anyway, I just mentioned 5 steps on how you can use this amazing product. Okay, just find a way to incorporate to your routine, and you kiss all those discoloration on your skin goodbye. Yes, you kiss them goodbye. Okay, that'll be all for today's video. I tried my best to just shorten the explanation. I don't want to keep explaining and make this video very long. I want the video to be like 10 minutes. I don't know, I think it's more than 10 minutes already. So I just had to make this video really brief so it doesn't get bored. You don't get bored watching. All right, so okay, that's it for today's video. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Also share with your friends. You don't know share with your friends, share with your family, share with your sisters, share with your brothers. You don't know who is also struggling to take off some dark patches on their skin. Share with them so they will also incorporate this in their routine. We all need to have a flawless, glowing, beautiful skin. So please share with family and friends. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one.